Hey everybody, welcome back. So, welcome to another tips and tricks video. This one deals with fixing chip out on your fretboard when you're pulling your frets. This is the way I've come up with to do it, and works very well. So, let me take you down to the bench and show you what I came up with. Alright, so few things you're going to need. You're going to need, this is an ebony fretboard, so I'm using ebony powder. Whenever I cut an ebony fretboard or work on an acoustic bridge or something, I save the sawdust. I've been saving it for years, so I got a good amount in here. You're going to need a straight edge razor. You're going to need this type of straight edge razor, not the cheaper ones. You're going to want one of these. And you're going to want a roll of Teflon tape. And of course your super glue. So let me take you down here. See if I can get this focused in the camera, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your razor blade over to your belt sander, and you're going to put whatever radius you have on your fretboard, a -1 on your razor blade. This is a 12-inch radius, so now my razor blade has a radius on it, right? And it's not sharp. Not going to cut yourself at all on it because you've basically sanded off the sharp edge. Take your Teflon tape, just tear off a piece, and lay it over your fret. See where I'm going with this? Flatten it out. Over your fret slot. And once you rub it with your finger, you can see the fret slot through the Teflon tape. Take your razor blade, find your fret slot, push your razor blade down into the fret slot, then lift your Teflon tape, bend it over the edge of your razor blade, like that. Smooth it up the razor blade. Now you have a Teflon dam, so when you put your super glue in, it will not fill in your fret slot. Take some of your, let's see, where were the chip outs? Right over here. Take some of your ebony dust, lay it into your chip outs. Press it down a little bit so it compacts into the chip outs. A couple of drops of super glue. Now we're just going to let that harden up, and we'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Our glue is hardened up. Remove the razor blade from the fret slot and just pull your Teflon tape out of the fret slot. A little bit of the Teflon tape may be stuck to the glue, just a little bit. So now time to sand. Start with some coarse grit. Now we'll go to a finer grit, and we'll use our radius block. clean out the slots. And as you can see, chip out is gone. It's right here by that fret marker. And your fret slot is not filled with glue. Let's see if I can get you a little closer. Now the chip out was in here, and you can see edge of the fret slot's nice and straight. Still use a little more sanding, but that came out good. Now, got a few more to do, so I'm going to leave you there, and I'm going to get. So there you go, quick and easy, down and dirty way to fill your chip outs and not fill your fret slots full of glue, so you don't have to go back and chase them again with the saw. Okay, that's gonna do it for this one. See you in the next video. You guys behave yourself. Peace.